In a growing interconnected world, senior business leaders are expected to have a global approach to make lasting legacies. IIM Lucknow brings the Global Senior Leadership Program, a specialization course for the aspiring Chief Marketing Officers, Chief Finance Officers, Chief Human Resource Officers, Chief Operations Officers, where you will learn about analyzing the macro and micro market, tapping into global markets, corporate strategies, strategies to combat business failures, designing and managing marketing strategy. Gain crucial business insights through masterclasses by CXOs. Engage in an immersive learning experience with the world-class game-based simulations. Network with IIM faculty members and peers with a 5-day IIM campus immersion. Get industry exposure with a 2-day Dubai Executive Conference. Earn most coveted IIM Lucknow Executive Alumni status upon program completion. So take your strategic leadership role to new frontiers with Global Senior Leadership Program by IIM Lucknow.